Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Intermediate Algorithm Scripting series. The problem name is Pig Latin. Pig Latin is a way of altering English words. The rules are as follows. If a word begins with a consonant, take the first consonant or consonant cluster, move it to the end of the word and add a y to it. If a word begins with vowel, just add y at the end. Task for this challenge: translate the provided string to Pig Latin. Input strings are guaranteed to be English word in all lowercase. In that case, we can use vowels to create consonant regex. Just we have to create regular expression where we check for pattern in the start of the string for any alphabet which is not part of A, E, I, O, U, and all of them we will check for all of them till we get a vowel, and let C match equal to str dot match cons regex. We can check the value of C match here. Okay, we are getting the value, which now we need to create a new str where we will return the final output if C match is true. In that case, and in else case, we have two cases. In the else case, it's ag new str equal to str plus way, and for the if case we can use new str equal to str dot slice, and for that we will provide from which index, and we can do by finding the length of the first element of array, and afterward plus C match 0 plus ay at the end. It looks okay. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.